Yeah.
Here in Kuulanilla ylikasvaali Helsinki-Espoossa Uusimaa-Jyväskylät. We just filmed the imported with the video original 1935 and before.
Yeah.
Earliest found so far.
Yeah.
This one was last with evergreen and English machine. These 4 verses of 20 grams, 17 page 5 to 5, but both official languages here.
Yeah.
As it should be. There's a very good vocabulary. It's like a chocolate bar.
Yeah.
Silver is, silver. It built in 1927.
Yeah.
And I'll put the bench down so that we can sit down and enjoy the ride. It was realized in 2017. That's 5 floors. It has this old panel here still.
Yeah.
It will be inspected in 2025. It will be 100 years old in 2027. The demonstration will be 10 years old then.
Yeah.
Because these 4 persons are doing 20 course. It's difficult with them.
Yes, did bike-wise, but maintained by Kone.
With the antique buttons before.
Yeah.
Let's check back over to me.
Yeah, but it's strange.
They ripped that away.
Yeah.
That's right. Yeah. That's it, thank you very much for watching. Get the bench up.
That's